Children of God, let's refresh our knowledge about Philippine history. After the death of Ferdinand Magellan in Mactan, Cebu on April 1521, the expedition he led faced uncertainty and danger. They had originally set sail with 5 ships, but losses and conflicts reduced their number. When they reached Cebu, they found themselves with more ships than they could manage due to the reduced number of crew. Among these vessels was the ship named Concepcion. The leaders made a difficult decision to burn the ship. It was not because it was damaged beyond repair, but because they had no longer enough men to sail all the ships safely. Letting go of the Concepcion became necessary for the survival of the rest. That painful decision helped the remaining crew move forward. Sometimes, letting go is the only way to survive the journey.